guys, Mariel Pay here, and for all of you Lego Friends fans, I have a Lego Friends bed mock. So I'm going to teach you how to build something like this, except not the exact same print. So first I'm very bad at what the name of the bricks are, so if you know what they are, you could just correct me in the comments. So you're going to need this piece, and you're going to have to add this piece on here and the other piece on here. And then you take the pillow part and you put it right on here. Then you take two of these pink parts. It can be any color you want, but the pillow has to be white, of course, because it's a pillow. So yeah, and so you can use any color of this you want, any color of that you want. But I just chose yellow and pink because these are practically Lego Friends, so these are the most main colors in it, and purple. But I think it's easier if you guys are going to put the yellow part in first, and then put the sides. And then I'm going to mess up right now, the two rose petal parts. I just call them rose petal because they look like rose petals. So all you have to do is put them right here. Make sure they're like perfect. Make sure they're not like a diamond shape, like they're square size. And you add two of these 3-dot pieces. Oh, I put that one upside down. So yeah. See, can you see the similarity, kind of? Except this one a little bit small. Just this is too big. There's just going to be extra space for legs, but yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.